So can you name the ions? This is great fun because we're going to look at the formulas and then we're going to see if we know the traditional name, but there's also the IUPAC name. Now, IUPAC is abbreviation and it stands for the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. It's the global authority on chemical nomenclature and terminology. They have changed the traditional ion names to their own form. So let's see if we can figure out both. We'll start with the first one. We've got Cl041-. That's a chlorine and oxygen ion. And the traditional name for that is perchlorate. What's interesting here is chlorate, which is Cl03-, is the common ion. So that is chlorate. But because we've got one extra oxygen than the common form, we use the prefix per. So that's why that one's perchlorate. And then the IUPAC name, that's chlorate 7. We indicate the 7 by Roman numerals because chlorine has an oxidation state here of +7. Next, we've got NO2-. That's a nitrogen with 2 oxygens. And if you've guessed nitrite, you'll be correct. The common ion, NO3-, that's nitrate, and 1 less oxygen means it would be nitrite. The IUPAC name, now they've changed it here quite interestingly. They've named it as nitrate 3. And if you notice, they still call it nitrate, even though the common ion is nitrate. That's because they give nitrate 3 to the nitrite form, because nitrogen has an oxidation state of +3. But nitrate, NO3-, is nitrate 5, but we don't tend to use the 5. Our next one, sulfur with 4 oxygens, 2- charge. And if you've got sulfate, you were spot on. Sulfate, that is the common form of the sulfur and oxygen containing ion. And the IUPAC name is sulfate 6 because sulfur has an oxidation state of +6. And then our last one here, we've got hydrogen. We've got 2 of them, H2. And then we've got a phosphorus atom and 4 oxygens with an oxidation state of 1-. So H2PO4. And if you've got dihydrogen phosphate, you were spot on. The di prefix for the 2 hydrogens, and then that's the phosphate ion, PO4 1-. Or actually it's PO4 3-, but because we've added 2 hydrogens, it changes the charge. So we've added 2 positives, and therefore it changes from 3- to 1-. And our IUPAC name is dihydrogen phosphate 5. And that's because phosphorus has an oxidation state of +5. So if you've got all of those correct, well done, fantastic. Even I had to look up a couple of the IUPAC names, but it's great fun looking at the different naming techniques. Do check the next video, it links very much to this, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.